Encryption. Encryption in Azure is the process of converting data into format that can be read by the unauthorized user, ensuring that the confidentially and data protection at the rest in the transit. Encryption in Azure help to protect your state at rest and moving it data using the industry standard protocols and keys. Azure provide the automatic encryption but also let you manage your own key for more control. So what is the encryption? This was the definition which I read in front of you guys. Encryption means if you have a data and that data you want to access by only the person who is authorized, at that time we use the encryption. Also, during the encryption, what we do, we use the key pairs or key vault to encrypt the data so that in future if you will have only the key value pair, then only you can read. If you do not have a key vault a key, then you cannot read it. So what we do during the key vault, we can make the storage key and from there we can access the encrypted data. Those who have a key vault value, only that person or those person can access. Apart from that person, no one can access your data. So this is the concept of the encryption. During the encryption, we encrypt our data in different format only to protect our data. As you see, as I already told you in the previous slide, that the key vault. Here I am telling you what is Azure key vault. So encryption in rest. One is the data encryption before storing it on the disk, automatically handled to store service encryption, that is SSE, storage service encryption. Use Microsoft Manage Key default or custom Manage Key to store the key vault value, which I was already told you. For example, here I can give you example so that you will be able to understand very easily. Means you have a application and in that application you have a configuration file. In the configuration file you have a detail of the your connection string means you have a server name, user id, password of that server or database. Now the person who is using your application, you are not want them that can see your application server name, password, although he can access your application, but you don't want that they can read your keyword value. So keyword value, not server name, user id and password of your server. So what you will do, you will store your all the configuration related or connection string in Azure side, and from there you will encrypt it and get some key Azure keyword value. So the key value you will use to take your connection string in the application. Only you will use the key vault value, means key value in your application. But basis of your key value, you will able to access your connection string. So this is the Azure key vault. This is the very basic and simple example. Azure storage account storing the customer data has encryption at rest using the Microsoft Manage key. You do not have to configure it, it enabled by default. You can choose bring your own key linking to Azure Key Vault CMK.